Mr. Speaker, our nation is at a crossroads. After a year and a half of one-party Democrat rule, America is on the brink of a recession. Violent crime is on the rise, and our freedoms are under attack like never before. Homicide rates across the nation are up nearly 50% compared to 2020. There have been at least 80 incidents of pro-abortion vandalism, intimidation, and violence since May. At a time when 85% of Americans are concerned about rising crime rates, the left is pushing to ban one of the most popular firearms in America. Not only is this reckless, it is a violation of America's Second Amendment rights. Our country needs leadership, but when the left is in charge, the only thing Americans get is an attack on our freedoms. I'll never stop fighting for Missourians and our conservative values.
The gentleman yields back.